Cloud Google and Google Cloud and the Google Cloud GCP Workspace Google Cloud Platform GCP full guide is here. So if you search this topic, you always see one platform, but I will go to the Google Cloud's console, which haven't been used by me in my videos. The Google Cloud storage is also opening, but they will give you the last and enhance. Here you can see the computer engine, but I have covered Google Cloud topic before, but the Google engine, uh, uh, agree and continue. You have to agree and continue. Yes, I live in Pakistan and would like to agree and continue. Let's see the Google Cloud, what these the instances templates. You can see the create project, instance template, and many other templates are here. VM instances, you can see, but this is not giving us a widespread range of the GCP platform tutorials and all the basic knowledge about the Google Workspace. Go to the second video. If you go to the videos topic Google Workspace and go to the images, and if you like some video and you think that this is totally about your work, so click on that video and go to that topic and clear this topic. I will go to this videos link and you can see that I think so this video is no, it's on English. So this is basically good for us that it is in English, so we can use our language on this. So the project is opening. Let's have a look on Google Cloud and GCP full course Google Cloud storage. Are you having a trouble in choosing a cloud service? Then in case this Google platform tutorial will solve your cloud conundrum for sure. So faster your seat belt so that we can quick ride through the Google Cloud platform. Google platform offered by Google is a suite of cloud computing services that run on the same infrastructure that Google was internally for its end user product. Alongside a set of management tools, it provides a series of modular cloud services including computing, data storage. I will say no thanks and cross this, and we will again read our topic. Alongside a set of management tools, it provides a good keeping for Google Cloud Platforms is also provides a series of modular. You can get an in-depth understanding of the concept from the Google Cloud course. Now that I have given you a simple definitions about the Google Cloud GCP, is let me give the agenda of what this Google platform teaches you. First of all, why cloud? Open link in new tab and you can see why Google platform, what is the Google platform, demo creating the Google platform. These are the all basic questions of every normal citizen and every normal person who is working with Google. So shortcoming of the pre-cloud era, let us start by taking a look on the pop-up messages are all about the Google Cloud sentences. So if you like the video, so then I will go to the Google's Cloud certification. They are saying that Google Cloud platform, learn Google platform on the Amazon is also supporting the Google Cloud skill boost, and the Google Cloud learning platforms are basically best for the Google storage account. And the VM instance is also created. I don't know how to create a VM instances. Let's tease it out. You can read this with your own skills. I hope you like the video. Stay connected. Bye.